Hello everyone, myself Harshada Hukkire and I am going to explain the concept of power amplifier. I will explain what is power amplifier, what are the different types of power amplifier with their efficiencies in this video. So without wasting our time, let us switch towards our point, power amplifier. Without moving directly toward the power amplifier, we will see what is amplifier first. It is an electronic device that increases the voltage, current or power of a signal at the output. They are used in wireless communication, broadcasting and in audio equipment of all kinds. The amplifiers are classified in three types. They are of current amplifiers, voltage amplifiers and power amplifiers. So, as the point suggests, we are going to discuss power amplifier here. So, what is power amplifier? It is basically used to enhance the power level of an input signal to the output. Power amplifier is used to enhance the power level of an input signal to the output. But direct amplification of a power is not done. So, as we know the formula for power is equal to V into I, that is voltage into current. So, to amplify the power, both current and voltage we have to amplify. This is about power amplifier. So the further power amplifiers are classified in 4 different classes: class A amplifier, class B power amplifier, class C power amplifier and class AB power amplifier. This classification is done on the basis of position of a Q point on the load line. As I written over here, this is load line of VCE versus IC. When the Q point is present exactly at the center of a load line, then the class of that power amplifier is known as class A amplifier. And class B, when the position of a Q point is exactly on the x-axis, then the amplifier is known as a class B power amplifier. Then again, when the position of a Q point is below the cutoff point, then the amplifier is known as a class C power amplifier. And when the Q point is present in between middle and x-axis, x point, then the power amplifier is known as a class AB power amplifier. Moving towards the efficiency of an amplifier, the class C amplifier will have more efficiency, then to class B, then AB and then A. So class A will have minimum efficiency, because of which the distortion will be more in class A amplifier and the distortion will be less in a class C amplifier. Now again, the class A amplifiers are classified as directly coupled and transformer coupled amplifiers. You can see in this figure, to the collector terminal of a transistor, the load is connected. So, directly load is connected. So, it is named as a directly coupled class A amplifier. And in this diagram of a transformer coupled, the load is connected with the help of transformer. So, it is called as a transformer coupled class A amplifier. The advantages are they are easy to construct and efficiency is less is one of its disadvantage. Class B amplifier is again classified in 2 types: push-pull amplifier and complementary symmetry amplifier. In a push-pull amplifier, 2 transformers are used which are center tapped, and this pair of transistor is used. The basic difference between push-pull and complementary symmetry is that in this Q1 and Q2 are of the same type, that is NPN or PNP. But in complementary symmetry, the Q1 and Q2, if Q1 is NPN, then Q2 should be PNP, and if Q1 is PNP, then it should be NPN. The advantage is, yes, crossover distortion is present in a complementary symmetry type of amplifier. The advantages of a class B amplifier are efficiency is much higher than a class A amplifier. We know that ripple factor or ripple present in a supply get eliminated. Yes, and impedance matching is possible. Moving towards the disadvantages, as we can see the construction is looking bulky, as two center tap transformers are used, and frequency response is also poor. Again, the class AB also classified into two types: push-pull AB amplifier and complementary symmetry class AB amplifier. As we know, the efficiency of a class C amplifier is more, and it is having less distortion. So, class C amplifier is widely used for application. Then moving towards the last point, what are the applications of the power amplifier? Power amplifiers are needed for radio frequency, CD players, loudspeaker, or again they are needed for public address systems. So, thank you friends.